Today, I'm painting a portrait, and I'm painting it as fast as I can. I've been trying so hard to get these speed paintings done in under an hour, and so far, I haven't been able to do it. I think today's the day though. This is the reference I'm using. I got it from a website called Unsplash. All the images there are royalty free, which makes them perfect to use as references. Okay, remember the goal is to paint this in under an hour. I'm gonna paint fast, I'm gonna edit fast. Try to keep up. First things first, background. I always start with a messy background. I've said this before, I think it's fun to do and it makes the paintings just a little bit more interesting. Next, I create a silhouette using a color that contrasts with the background. And then I start painting the big shapes. Head, hair, jacket. Now I'll start carving in the smaller shapes, the shadows, the highlights. And then onto the features, the eyes, the nose. The nose. All those little details in the nose. The intricacies in colors as values change along the planes of the nostrils. Oh wait, check the time. 30 minutes, halfway there. I gotta move on to other areas. I can't keep talking about this. I gotta paint faster. I was painting faster, but it wasn't fast enough. I had to pull out all my tricks. Flipping the canvas, using the lasso tool, readjusting, flipping the canvas again, painting as fast as I can. Almost done. I'm so close. Yeah, that looks great. Okay, to finish it off, I'm gonna add in some scribbles and doodles, just these extra little things I've been adding to my paintings lately. I think they're kind of fun and they make the paintings feel a lot more complete. Scribble there, doodle here, a few more touch-ups, and done. Wow, I love the way that this looks. Let's check the time. Fuck.